Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem that 5y cube bracket over bracket start 4y power 4 bracket over divided by 20y square. So first of all, here we write solution, then here we write 5y cube multiply by 4y power 4 divided by 20y square. So now here we write, we multiply 5 with 4, so we write 5 multiply by 4 bracket, and we multiply y power 3 multiply by y power 4 bracket over divided by 20 power y square, 20y square. So now 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20, and y when multiplication bases are same, we just add the powers. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 divided by 20 power y power 2. So now 20 and 20 is cancelled, so we write y power 7 divided by y square. So when bases are same, in division we just subtract the powers, so we write y power 7 minus 2 is equal to y power 5. This is our answer. Thanks for watching the video.